Welcome to Odaiba Seaside Park, a stunning waterfront area in Tokyo that offers a mix of nature, technology, and entertainment. Whether you're looking to relax by the bay, shop in futuristic malls, or check out exciting events, Odaiba has something for everyone. Today, I'll be showing you how to get there, what to explore, and some of the amazing events that were happening when I visited. Getting to Odaiba is simple and fun. One of the most scenic ways is by taking the Yurikamoni line, a driverless train that offers fantastic views of Tokyo Bay. Hop on from Shimbashi Station and enjoy the ride over the famous Rainbow Bridge. You can also take the Rinkai line to Tokyo Teleport Station if you're coming from Shibuya or Shinjuku. One of Odaiba's most iconic attractions is the life-size Gundam statue. Standing tall outside Odaiba City, Tokyo Plaza, this giant robot is a must-see for anime fans. It's not just for photos either. There are periodic light shows, and at certain times, the Gundam even moves. Inside Odaiba City, you'll also find the Gundam-based Tokyo, where you can shop for exclusive Gundam model kits and souvenirs. Another fascinating sight here is the replica of the Statue of Liberty. It might not be as big as the one in New York, but it's an impressive tribute and offers a unique photo opportunity, especially with the stunning Rainbow Bridge in the background. The Rainbow Bridge itself is a symbol of Odaiba. You can walk or cycle across it for beautiful panoramic views of the city. At night, the bridge lights up in vibrant colors, adding a magical touch to the skyline. Odaiba is also a shopper's paradise. Aqua City Odaiba and Venus Fort are two of the most popular shopping complexes. Aqua City offers a mix of fashion, food, and entertainment, including a cinema with views of the bay. Whether you're looking for high-end fashion or quirky Japanese souvenirs, you'll find it all here. Now, let me tell you about the two exciting events that were happening when I visited. First up, the Ultra Japan concert. This world-famous EDM festival attracts thousands of music lovers with top DJs from around the globe performing live. The energy was electric with the crowd dancing late into the night. And just down the road, Fiesta Mexicana was in full swing. This vibrant cultural festival brought a taste of Mexico to Tokyo with delicious food, music, and lively performances. It was the perfect contrast to the high-energy beats of Ultra Japan, and I enjoy sampling Mexican street food while soaking in the festive atmosphere. After a day of exploring, Odaiba Seaside Park is the perfect spot to unwind. The sandy beach is great for a relaxing stroll or a peaceful moment by the water. You can even rent a paddleboard or kayak if you are feeling adventurous. And don't forget to catch the stunning sunset over Tokyo Bay with the Rainbow Bridge and Tokyo Tower glowing in the distance. Odaiba is truly a place that offers a little bit of everything: nature, technology, culture, and entertainment. Whether you're here for a day or just a few hours, you'll find something that makes your visit unforgettable. Thanks for joining me on this tour, And if you ever find yourself in Tokyo, make sure to add Odaiba Seaside Park to your itinerary. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel content. See you in the next video.